Right here, messing with the 360 right now. I'm gonna go through my settings real quick on how I run it. So on my 360, as you can see, I've pressed the zoom button twice. So it's 4 times zoom. Every time you press it, it's 2x. So that's how I run it most of the time. I will back it out 1, especially if I'm looking like further away, but I keep it about 10 feet shorter than whatever I'm looking at live scope. Just because, I don't know, that's just how I roll. And then got it on the color number 2, which is like this amberish lens, and I will move it over here to, if I'm looking for shell beds and grass especially, I will run it on color 8. I don't think you can see fish as good, but a shell bed pops out, it sticks out like a sore thumb whenever you're looking for shell beds and grass. But that's very situational. Pretty much keep it pretty consistent and run the same color. My sensitivity is on 10, contrast is on 10. I'll mess with the contrast a little bit if I'm looking for fish and I'm trying to really fine tune this thing on something that's pretty clean, whether it be like a river ledge or something like that. Like I said, 80 foot, and that's how I set up my 360.